In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete data and close the account in PayPal if you no longer need your PayPal account and you want to remove your data and begin the account closure process. This walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click. Before you start, make sure you're signed in to your PayPal account because these options are found inside your account settings and privacy area. Once you're logged in, look toward the top area of the page for the gear icon. This is the settings button. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open your account settings. This is where PayPal keeps many of the account management options, including privacy-related controls. If you don't immediately see it, just take a moment to scan the upper corner of the page, since the layout can vary slightly depending on the device or browser you're using. After the settings page opens, find the option labeled Delete Your Data or Close Account. Click on that option to move forward. This section is specifically designed for users who want to manage personal data and close their PayPal account. Read the page carefully as you proceed, because PayPal may show important information about what happens when your account is closed, such as losing access to account history from the active account interface. Next, you'll reach a confirmation message. Click on the confirmation message to continue. This step is important because PayPal wants to make sure you understand the request before anything is finalized. In many cases, platforms like this include a confirmation screen to help prevent accidental account closure. So it's a good idea to pause for a second and review what's being shown on the screen. Finally, click Yes, Continue. This confirms that you want to proceed with deleting your data and closing the account. Once you select this option, PayPal will begin the next stage of the process based on your account status and any requirements tied to it. As a quick tip, before closing any payment account, it's smart to make sure there are no unresolved issues, pending transactions, or important records you still need. That can help avoid confusion later. But in terms of the Tuyon screen process itself, those are the exact steps you need to follow inside PayPal, and that's it. You've now seen how to access the settings, choose the delete data or close account option, confirm the request, and continue with the final approval in PayPal.